Why does your scanner show the P3002 engine code? What does it mean? P3002 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel rail pressure sensor. This error code typically indicates a problem with the fuel rail pressure sensor, suggesting either too high or too low fuel pressure. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Fuel rail pressure sensor issues, fuel delivery problem, vacuum leaks, engine mechanical issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW M5 or Mini Cooper. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.